Picture yourself in the 2021 Nissan Armada. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's an overachiever with a commanding presence, the Nissan Armada. This full-size three-row SUV is a polite powerhouse, offering an upscale interior, smooth, quiet ride, and brawny towing capacity. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, heated and/or cooled front seats, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, keyless entry, moonroof, sun moonroof, fog lamps, backup camera, power passenger seat. Feel prepared for whatever the road has in store in this bold and beautiful Armada. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.